Grand Rising Kings and Queens, Gods and Goddesses, multi-exclusive dimensional being Kai with another exclusive. This video is going to be about how to properly astral travel, astral project. So basically, when we go to sleep, we astral travel. As we leave the house and walk around, we astral travel because our soul is inside of our body. So this is what causes us to have movement, whether it's in the physical realm or whether it's in the spiritual realm, where you get all your answers and your inner source information from. And this is the outer source, the outer external information. But you got to understand and understand that ever since you came into this world, into this existence, you've been receiving outer information and you've been receiving inner information. But basically the information on the outer broadcast was basically public and designed to keep you detached from the inner source. Because remember, you're a spirit, a soul, individually in a human individual body. So with that being said, when you take these duties and obligations and when you take on these experiences in life, you have to understand and understand to know thyself. This way you won't be this way you won't be manipulated, you won't be brainwashed, you won't be indoctrinated, you won't be put in circumstances and situations where you're basically not spiritually inclined and you get lost into this world. And then basically all this baggage and all these spirits and souls is dense on your spirit. Now you don't really have no choice but to experience these feelings and emotions and thoughts from other spirits that's basically cleansing onto you. But these are not true. This is not true. You just have an experience, but you realizing and witnessing the experience that you're receiving from these other spirits that's putting you in circumstances and predicaments to be stressed, depressed, or down, or in situations where you keep feeling like you're being attacked and you have no control over that shit. So with that being said, for instance, when you're working 9 to 5, what happened? You put in your time into something, you sold your soul, put all your energy, all your mentality, all your aspects and broad aspects inside of that shit. Now you trapped inside of a bottle of somebody else's reality. Now you basically taking on the forms and the informations and basically all of the shit that's going on around the co-workers that you have on, that they basically, you don't even know what kind of spirits they are. And it's play out on the 12 zodiac signs. So you're being attacked by all kinds of spirits. They spirits, their demons. And this shit plays out in a huge factor. Like when you basically realize that you've been in these encounterments your whole life from also school, you realize like, yo, ever since I've been on this planet, you've been working for somebody instead of basically building a foundation to work for yourself and not basically agree to these terms and conditions on the outer side to have knowledge or information about certain things. But there's other ways and other opportunities, but you got to go within yourself and get these answers. That's the only way you're going to be able to actually get in the source and be able to go on your path in a straight line and not be going this way, that way, that way, that way, going through a million mazes just to get to where you want to get, to point A. For me, because we came from point A, we're already successful, we're already rich, but this outer world put us in circumstances and predicaments to make it seem like we need shit, but really don't need shit. And basically it's the ego that's taking over the body. And basically it's these other spirits that's basically trying to hijack and discipline your spirit from basically trying to show the light. Don't get lost in the light. Don't get lost in this realm of reality that we in. Because we came here to have an experience and keep traveling, going up. So when you got all this weight on your body and shit, it's going to be difficult for you to be going up. So you're going to continue to keep going down. Sometimes you get rest, you'll go up. You got to go down, go up, go down. It's like basically just going up and down. You need to keep going up, 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 rise above all those circumstances, those distractions, all those predicaments, and label yourself into characteristics that's going to benefit you and program you to be able to manifest things in your reality and not be programmed by other beings to try to manifest shit in their reality, try to manifest their dream. That shit, it stops. None of that shit is going to help you astral travel or astral project. So with that being said, You gotta go within yourself. You gotta find time. You gotta find your purpose. Make time for yourself. Be yourself. Go within. Meditate. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Also, you gotta watch what you eat too, because that's basically putting more feelings and emotions on side of you, on your body, and then bang, yeah, that's like a portal being opened up for other spirits to utilize it and go inside of you, aka parasites can be built inside your body. These spirits can also be hijacked inside them and make them put you in circumstances and predicaments and situations that have you think you this or that, but it's not true. It's not your feelings, emotions, or thoughts or ideas. It's you being attacked by these other spirits and these other deities to put you in circumstances and situations to give up that easily. And you're being programmed, and they using all kind of witchcraft, black magic to stop you on your spiritual growth. That's why you can't control your dreams now. That's why you can't remember your dreams now. That's like when you have dreams, you can forget a dream just like that, and just realize how many bodies you took and human forms you took, but you don't remember this shit. But you're not subconsciously training yourself to remember things. You're not meditating. You're not getting all these blockages. You're not clearing your mind. You're not detoxing your body. So this play out in the predicament and circumstance that where these spirits and souls are keeping you down there on a low vibration, and when you're not vibrating high, you're not getting the highest vibration, information, and knowledge and wisdom. You're getting the lowest vibration, low wisdom, low knowledge, and it's basically bringing you down to the point where you just want to give up in life, or to the point where you being attacked by these spirits easily. You gotta break these spirits off of you. Go within, find time, be yourself, and that's all you have to do. And this way, you'll be able to control your dreams, astral travel, get information, and explore other planets or other worlds. So this is what we do on a daily basis. So whoever came up with the concept, oh, you gotta have an out-of-body experience, you gotta psych yourself up. But we do this shit every day. Always have an out-of-body experience. But once you know more of yourself, you'll be able to see yourself on the outside looking in. And that's how you go within, inside the yin. And this is well manifest on when how you intrepid and psych yourself to go within yourself and the yang. And that's real shit. Gotta be balanced with the spirit, the soul, and the human body. Gotta be up there. It can't be 1, 2, 3. You gotta keep bringing your shit up there. This way we connect the two dots together, connect these two brains. You'll be able to realize that you and this vessel is two different things, and it's not the same thing. So don't get it twisted or mixed up. It's just what you psyching yourself up to is what this spirit, this soul is inherent in. So that's why these circumstances and predicament you put yourself in, this way it plays out in that aspect. So that's how you astral travel. That's how you astral project. And we do this shit on an everyday basis. So don't get it fucked up. Real shit. Multi-exclusive dimensional being Kyle with another exclusive. Rate, comment, subscribe, share. Get this video out here. Spread the word, spread the wisdom. And that's how you go within yourself. Do your astral travel. And astral project is a whole nother world inside of you. Don't forget that shit.